Hello, this is Alex, and I'm going to teach you basic masking techniques, which means removing the background from a picture for the app SuperimposeX. Your first step is going to be downloading SuperimposeX from the App Store or Google Play Store. Then you're going to open it, and you're going to click the Add Layer button at the bottom right corner, and go to your pictures and pick the first picture that you're going to want to put the masked image on top of, and then you're going to click Add Layer again. And you're going to pick a second photo, which is the one you're going to remove the background from. Removing the background is called masking, so you're going to hit the mask button in the middle at the bottom and select your first tool, the basic brush, and make sure you've got it saying erase over top, and then you can just erase just like you're seeing here. So the second brush I'm using, called the magic wand, removes a bunch of colors, like similar colors, so that you can kind of get a bunch out at once without having to get in there with your brush and erase it. But sometimes, as you will see later, it erases too much of the color, and then you'll have to adjust it, and I'll show you how to do that later. So in the bottom right corner, you can see me changing the mask tool, and I've actually changed now to, I'll change now to the soft edge tool, and you can see the difference in the edges from the hard mask tool, the first one I used, versus this soft one, which kind of, you know, it just doesn't leave such hard edges usually. And then I tried using the magic wand again, and it did not work. So I'll show you how to adjust that real quick. So when you're on the mask tool, you can click the settings button, and then you can click threshold, and that will change, you know, if you take away a lot of similar colors or only really close colors. And here I went back with the soft brush, just finishing off since the magic wand wasn't working for me. So once you've got your mask done, you're going to go to the bottom left corner. So next to mask, it says transform, and you're going to lock the aspect so that you don't accidentally make him super tall or super wide. And then you can move him around to your heart's content. And then I realized I still had some masking to do, so I finished that. So I decided to put Bernie in the TV with my little anime boy. So what I did was I used this little rectangle mask tool, which will allow you to create a rectangle, and then click the check mark next to the button that says erase, and it will erase everything that is within that rectangle. So then once I decided I was done, I went to the top right corner and I clicked on that rectangle that has the arrow in it, and then hit save to photos. So hopefully that helped, and if anything was a little too fast for you, you can go ahead and like pause the video or slow it down. And if you have questions about how to do anything else in the app, go ahead and leave a comment, I suppose. I can try to help.